It's been crazy since the past 2 weeks in real life. I've been through a lot since the past 4 months, but it's not everything I share here. Well, I thank God for everything. Please say a word of prayer for me. Welcome back. This video is for those who want their hair to be thick, long, healthy, nourished, and strengthened. This powerful mixture is nutrient-rich herbal infused treatment. It will prevent damage for strong, lustrous hair. This hair growth oil is lightweight, just the way your scalp would love it. Use sparingly daily to massage your scalp for best results. This lightweight treatment will nourish your split ends and hair follicles for a sleek look. It lubricates dry scalp and deeply penetrates the scalp to increase circulation, combat dandruff, comfort itchy and sensitive scalp while working to strengthen, lengthen, nourish, and protect your hair. This treatment is safe for all hair types. It will promote radiant hair for all hair types. Just in case you're hearing any noise from the background, I'm so sorry about that. I can't control the noise. Please tap on the like button before you leave a comment in the comment section. Just in case you have any question regarding this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and kindly share this video with your family and friends. To begin, grab your beaker or jar or bowl, whichever you have. Today's video I'm going to be using this beaker. I made sure I sterilized it, and so should you. I think I shared a video on how to sterilize apparatus on this channel. Please check it out. My first ingredient is Nescafe coffee, to be precise. I'm just going to be using this ones in sachet because a sachet will just do for what I want to use it for. A sachet is just okay for me, but if you have the ones you can scoop, go ahead and use a teaspoon of coffee for this. It doesn't matter the brand. If you've got weak hair follicles, you may face abnormal hair loss and baldness. Coffee stimulates hair follicles and fights against the loss of hair. You can witness hair loss with age, and it affects both male and female. The topical application of caffeine formulation has been found to reduce hair loss and promote hair regrowth. The antioxidant properties and nutrients of caffeine strengthen the hair follicles and thus add shine to your hair. It also darkens your hair. For the proportion, I just cut open a sachet and transferred into my beaker. You can use a teaspoon if you've got the scoopable ones. Moving on to my second ingredient, I have Moringa. I'll be making use of Moringa powder. Moringa is rich in amino acids, which are building blocks of cells. Therefore, this helps in rejuvenation of hair, thereby reduces alopecia. It activates dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth on the bald areas. Moringa is also a rich source of biotin. Moringa can make your hair grow faster. One of the most important Moringa benefits for hair is that it boosts hair growth. Moringa contains vitamin A, B, and omega-3 fatty acids. All these nutrients nourish the hair and promote growth. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body. For the proportion, I measured out a tablespoon of Moringa powder into the beaker. My third ingredient, I have dry rosemary leaves, which help prevent dandruff. Dandruff is a hair condition that causes flakes on the scalp and even itching, and more than just the frequent scratching and flaking of your scalp. You just might also experience hair breakage. Rosemary contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help in preventing and even getting rid of dandruff. It can also help to solve itchiness on the scalp. It promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. It increases blood circulation. It relieves scalp irritation. For the proportion, I used 1 tablespoon of the dry rosemary leaves. My carrier oil of choice, I made use of olive oil. Olive oil is everyone's favorite, except you don't like it. So if you don't have olive oil, you can use coconut oil. So Today we are making use of olive oil. On this channel, I mostly use olive oil for all my DIY simply because it's super moisturizing. And a lot of you prefer it to using coconut oil. Some of you complain that coconut oil dry out your hair. Let me know your favorite carrier oil. As for me, I love olive oil and coconut oil, but because most of you always complain that coconut oil dry out your hair, so I paused on using coconut oil. So for the proportion, I used 3 cups of this 1/4 cup. I hope that makes sense. Approximately 150 ml worth of olive oil. That's what I used in this video. Next, I brought some water to a boil and then transfer that into the water bath, my beaker into the water bath. This is DIY double boiler method that I'm using. If you love to infuse this, you can infuse it in a jar and keep it under the sunlight for about 4 to 6 months. But this is the fastest way of doing this and also the safest way of doing this. So I left it in the water bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I brought it down and allowed it to cool down completely before I sieved. So after sieving using my strainer and a bowl, I transferred that into my applicator bottle. This hair growth oil is very potent. Is one of the oils that I love to use to strengthen my hair. This oil makes my hair super strong and it helps it to withstand breakage and shedding. I love to use this oil so much, especially on my scalp and my split ends. That doesn't mean that you can use this oil to seal in moisture. It also works well when you use it to seal in moisture. That is, after applying your leave-in conditioner, you can use it to seal in moisture in your hair. You can use it as pre-poo. It is perfect for pre-poo as well, and also hot oil treatment. I suggest you mostly use this oil for your scalp. Use it mostly on your scalp. Apply sparingly on your scalp and then give yourself a gentle massage. If you have the massager that I used towards the end of this video, you can use that to massage your hair. But if you don't have it, use the pop of your fingers to massage your hair. That also works perfectly. I also have a video on how to use the pop of the fingers to massage your scalp. Please check it out and you'll be glad you did. So also apply this oil on the tips of your hair because they are the oldest part of your hair and they need attention as well. You can invest in the massager if you have the money, but if you don't, please use the pop of your fingers because that was what I was using before I was able to get this massager. If you've got problem areas anywhere your hair is receding, alopecia, wherever, just concentrate this oil on the problem areas. If your scalp is not, if your follicles are not damaged, please concentrate this oil on that area. With time, give it 3 weeks to 1 month, your hair will start sprouting and you see growth. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please ask your questions in the comment section below and I will definitely reply each and every one of you. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.